Hey y'all, if you've been thinking about adding goats to your homestead, fall might actually be one of the best times of year for you to do it. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 big benefits of owning goats in the fall. Everything from easier feeding to cleaner pastures, what we see right here on our property. So we're going to jump right in. Fall temperatures, especially here in zone 10A, make goat care so much easier. There's less heat stress, less dehydration, less risk of parasites exploding, way fewer flies too. I was just thinking, I don't know if you guys noticed, if you have goats, let me know in the comment section below. In the summertime, boy, the flies get crazy. Unless you have them free-range chickens, they help big time. Also, there's another secret bird that we will be getting soon that helps tremendously with that, and I will have a video about that. You'll notice in the fall your goats will be more active, more playful in general, and just more comfortable, honestly, than they are in July or August. And if you live somewhere cooler than Florida, even better. Here's Hershey, one of our bucks. He's a registered buck. He's getting very furry, very hairy. We just brought him in this pen today. We've been doing some separating our males. So fall is the season where goats' hooves grow more slowly and they actually stay drier, which what does that mean for your goats, right? It's easier to trim, lower risk of hoof rot, less slipping, less mud buildup, okay? Parasite pressure naturally dips in the fall, so your goats get a break from barber pole worms. These are barber pole worms, okay? You can get your goats on a clean slate, health-wise, before winter hits. It's when you want to clean your hooves, you want to check their weights, and do basically a kind of a formal health reset for your goats, okay? Third benefit here for you guys, y'all already know that goats are the cheapest landscapers on earth. But in fall, it's a game changer, guys. Woodier weeds and dried plants are goat candy. Ours help clear things like the Brazilian pepper we have over by our hedge, overgrown vines, sticky weeds, shrub shoots, lower tree branches, okay? They turn your messy yard into clean pastures almost overnight. And then you can take your old sticks, whether you're going to set up for a bonfire like here eventually, or you can break down some of your sticks as well and use them for compost like we do in our gardens, okay? Number 4, fall is absolutely breeding season for many goat breeds. If you're thinking about growing your herd, fall is prime time. Most goat breeds naturally go into heat in fall, meaning easier breeding, better conception rates as well. And bonus right here, your kids will arrive in spring when the weather is much more mild. It means stronger babies and less stress for you. Better chance for them to thrive. Benefit 5 here, the goats produce amazing, and I say that, I can't emphasize enough, amazing compost in the fall. Between fall leaves, goat bedding, mulch, droppings, uneaten hay, kitchen scraps, you can make incredible garden compost through the entire season. You really can. Their droppings are practically perfect. The reason why I say that is because it's so easy to spread. There's no need to age them very long, not like horse, right? Horse manure. The goat droppings won't burn your plants. It breaks down quick. If you garden, goats give you free fertilizer 24/7. I got a bonus one for you. Let's be real. Goats just bring joy. Look at this little baby. Look at that little baby. Yeah, you're a cutie pie. They do, goats do zoomies in the cooler weather. They do their head bumping. They're absolute clowns doing their obstacle, sideway kicks and jumps and craziness. Fall's their happiest season. And you feel it too. You really do. If you've been thinking about getting goats, fall is truly one of the best seasons, I would say, to start. It really is. So, let me know in the comment section below, do you guys own any goats? And what breeds are your favorites? And if you enjoy videos like this, hit that thumbs up button for me, subscribe, follow along. We post new long form videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and daily shorts from around the homestead.